Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to sync audio with video in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import video and external audio files you want to sync. Drag both video and external audio files onto timeline. Click on the video clip to access its audio settings. Lower video's audio volume to prevent overlap with external audio. Highlight both video and external audio clips. Now right-click on the selected clip and choose Sync Video to Sound. Click on the video clip's audio and lower it completely if you wish to use only synced external audio. Now play video to ensure that external audio is correctly synced with the video. Once satisfied with sync, click on Export. And that's it. You successfully synced external audio to your video in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.